Welcome to Top Road Scenes. Buckle up, because you're about to witness the wildest moments on the road. From insane accidents to reckless drivers and heated road rage encounters, this is where chaos meets the highway.
What the f are you doing, you cunt?
Yeah, well. Yeah, I've got some money. Oh, aren't we a hard guy? Why don't you be a off? Go on, off in your Bentley. Go on, off in your Bentley. Oh, go on. Off. Alright. Yep. Yep. Go on, keep going.
Are you kidding?
Holy fuck! Jesus.
Press down and come see how my investment was faring. The idiots in the tap room said you might be up here. That's a fascinating conversation you've been having, cousin. But it leaves me feeling like there's a few things you haven't exactly
roundabout.
telling me. The
It's a
knife
roundabout,
tip
dude. You
pressed
have to yell to
deeper
who's
into Locke's
coming
skin,
in.
And he groaned. Like everything.
Which is why I would have
said Buddha.
sideswiped you if I...
Why don't we start
No,
with
I'm not going to.
everything?
If you... I'm not going to
Part
argue
three.
with you. Have a good day.
Fatal honesty. I never knew any
Dude,
more beautiful
move.
than you. I have hunted you under my thoughts. I have
Okay.
broken down under
Thanks
the
for being on
wind
Idiots
and
and
into
Cars.
the roses looking for you. I shall never find any greater than you. Carl Sandburg from The Great Hunt. Chapter 8. The 5-Year Game. Infinite Variation. 1. Someone's gonna recognize us, said Locke.
What? What's wrong?
You can't see a goddamn turn signal?
Where are you trying to turn?
Right here, stupid!
Well, you gotta slow down, buddy. It's okay.
I
Hey,
was slowing down. You can't see brake lights?
I break. All right,
Yeah,
go.
almost after you
Hey.
hit the back of my damn car.
Hey, calm down, buddy. Go home.
Go, you. Go, you. What are you doing? You it.
Feet on the ground, trying to wrap my head around our passion. The more that I fight, the less I know.
Dare.
Learning to feel all of the radiation.
Subscribe now for more crazy dashcam moments. Got footage of your own? Send it through the link below and you could be in the next video. Thanks for watching.